Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make Gamepass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. Guys, once you open the home page, you have to click on this create tab over here. And now you have to guys, once you are in the creator hub, you have to click on this creation from the menu. If you don't see these options, open the menu by tapping on 3 bar and click on it. It will take you to the experience. Here you will find experiences, events, avatar items, and development items. You just need to click on the default experience you have in the experience. And now you have to guys open the menu again here on the left, and you have to be under the monetization and click on passes under monetization, and here you can create your own game pass. You just need to guys click on this create a pass button over here, and you just need to enter the name of the game pass like P1, and you can also enter the description here, anything you want like demo, and you just need to click on this create a pass button. So click on it. Once you created your game pass, you just need to click on the game pass that you have created to configure it, and now just click on this sale option from the menu. Now guys, you have to enable the item for sale and enter the cost here you want. Like you can set up any price here, but the price must be reasonable. So once you enter here, you just need to click on this save changes button. So I'm going to change it to any other and click on save changes. Once you save it, now you can add your game pass in the please donate as well. That's how you can create your own game pass. Thanks for watching.